How to use JetBlue points. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use your JetBlue points, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your JetBlue points, all you have to do is simply open the JetBlue app over here. Once you just launch the JetBlue app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now right over here you'll be able to see your points, right, which is the number of points that you've acquired on JetBlue. As you increase your usage of the app, as you book more flights, your points are going to be increased eventually. So you might be questioning yourself as to how you can book and use your points. Well, you can use your points fortunately to do many things. You can transfer it to some other person, you can choose to book a flight with the points. So you can see all I do is just select the my points option over here. When I go to my points, so earning points, so you can request points from previous flights, or you can choose to buy points. To use points, you can either book a flight with your points, transfer points to another member, or buy points for another member. So let's say I want to book a flight with my points. I'll just select book a flight over here. Then I will be able to go ahead and book a flight using my JetBlue points. If I have enough of them, I'll be able to use them instead of cash over here. Now you can just follow the instructions over here. Now right over here you have to just make sure to check this option that is use TrueBlue points over here, right? Make sure to enter them. Now enter your departure date and so on, find a specific flight that you want, and then you should be able to use your TrueBlue points or your JetBlue points. That is how you can use your JetBlue points. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.